Designing with confidence is one of the key goals of SolidWorks 2008, and now users can actually check the manufacturability of their parts using the new DFMXpress toolset available with every license of SolidWorks. Users simply have to specify the part type and then fill out some rule parameters based off of machining operations. For example, hole depth to diameter ratios, minimum corner radiuses, and minimum linear or angular tolerances. Once the parameters are filled out, SolidWorks will check the part against numerous criteria. Here you can see that SolidWorks has flagged 4 holes of violating the depth to diameter ratio. There's potential that the drill may wander when drilling these holes. Also, SolidWorks has detected sharp internal corners that would be impossible to mill. SolidWorks has even detected that the 4 holes do not conform to standard drill sizes. DFM Express not only warns users of potential problems before the part hits the machine floor, but also allows the user to gain insight so that they can optimize their design for in-house manufacturing processes. It's a truly unique innovation, and it's available in SolidWorks 2008.